Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the best ways to earn money from the internet. In today's digital age, the online world offers countless opportunities for individuals to generate income. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career, there's something for everyone. Let's dive into the top 20 methods. Freelancing is a popular choice for those with specialized skills. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide. From writing and graphic design to programming and marketing, there's a demand for various talents. The best part? You set your rates and work on projects that interest you. With the rise of platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, setting up an online store has never been easier. Whether you're selling handmade crafts or dropshipping products, e-commerce offers a global customer base. By leveraging social media and digital marketing, you can drive traffic and boost sales. If you have a knack for writing, creating videos, or podcasting, content creation might be your calling. Platforms like YouTube, Medium, and Anchor provide monetization options, such as ad revenue and sponsorships. Consistency and quality are key to building an engaged audience. Are you an expert in a particular subject? Online tutoring platforms like Tutor.com and VibeKid allow you to teach students from around the world. Whether it's academic subjects, music, or even yoga, there's a demand for various skills. You can set your schedule and earn on an hourly basis. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Platforms like Amazon Associates and ClickBank offer a wide range of products to choose from. By creating valuable content and strategically placing affiliate links, you can generate passive income. While it requires knowledge and research, stock trading can be a lucrative online venture. Platforms like Robinhood and E-Trade provide user-friendly interfaces for beginners. By staying updated on market trends and employing smart strategies, you can grow your investment over time. Companies are always looking for consumer insights, and they're willing to pay for it. Online survey platforms like SurveyJunkie and Swagbucks allow you to earn rewards or cash for completing surveys. While it may not be a full-time income, it's a simple way to make some extra money. As more businesses go digital, the demand for virtual assistants is on the rise. Tasks can range from managing emails and scheduling appointments to social media management. Platforms like Zirtual and Upwork connect virtual assistants with clients, offering flexible work arrangements. Web development skills are highly sought after in today's tech-driven world. Whether it's creating websites from scratch or customizing existing templates, businesses are willing to pay for quality web development. Platforms like GitHub and Stack Overflow provide resources and networking opportunities. With the growth of online businesses, the demand for digital advertising expertise has skyrocketed. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads offer certification programs and intuitive interfaces. By understanding target audiences and crafting compelling ad campaigns, you can help businesses reach their goals. For businesses, maintaining an active social media presence is crucial. However, it can be time-consuming. That's where social media managers come in. By creating and scheduling content, engaging with followers, and analyzing insights, you can help businesses build their brand online. As smartphones continue to dominate, the demand for mobile apps is ever-growing. Whether it's for iOS or Android, app development can be a profitable skill. Platforms like Apple Developer and Google Play Console provide resources and guidelines for app submission and monetization. If you have expertise in a particular field, online coaching can be a fulfilling way to earn. Whether it's business, fitness, or personal development, platforms like Coach.me and Udemy allow you to create and sell courses. The flexibility of online coaching attracts both learners and instructors. In an interconnected world, language barriers can hinder communication. That's where translators come in. Online platforms like Gango and Prose connect translators with clients. Whether it's document translation or real-time interpretation, your language skills can open up opportunities. While it may not be the most glamorous option, data entry is a legitimate way to earn online. Companies often outsource data entry tasks, and platforms like Clickworker and Amazon Mechanical Turk connect workers with these opportunities. Attention to detail and speed are essential for success. Podcasts have gained immense popularity in recent years, and with that comes monetization opportunities. Platforms like Anchor and Podcorn connect podcasters with potential sponsors. By creating engaging content and growing your listener base, you can attract sponsorships and generate revenue. From logos and branding to social media graphics, businesses rely on graphic designers for visual communication. Platforms like Canva and Adobe Creative Cloud provide tools and resources. Building a strong portfolio and staying updated on design trends are crucial in this competitive field. Got items lying around that you no longer need? Online reselling platforms like eBay and Poshmark allow you to sell second-hand items. By researching market prices and creating compelling listings, you can turn your clutter into a profitable venture. Webinars have become a popular medium for knowledge sharing. Platforms like Zoom and Webinar Jam offer features for hosting and monetizing webinars. By promoting your webinars to the right audience and delivering valuable content, you can earn through ticket sales or even product offerings. If you have a creative project or a business idea, crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo can help you bring it to life. By showcasing your vision and offering attractive rewards, you can attract backers and secure the funds needed to turn your dreams into reality. The internet has revolutionized the way we work and earn. From traditional freelancing to emerging fields like podcasting, the options are endless. The key is to find something that aligns with your skills and interests, and then put in the effort to succeed. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the digital landscape and unlock your earning potential today.